So you're going to go right up here to this membership button, click that, and you can look over this page at your leisure. I'm assuming that most of you are here for your health care, but there are plenty of other things for you to check out. Let's go ahead and click on healthcare benefits. Remember that Platinum is that top medical service, and then we have our Titanium package that offers pet, travel, and medical debt eraser. So let's just assume that you want it all, but you can pick any of these. We'll go ahead and click on build your custom order. You're going to put your name in, your email address, whatever you want to stick in there. Make a password for yourself. Hopefully I got that right. Okay, really important to check who referred you. If you are here from watching one of my ads, this would be correct, but you want to make sure the person that thought enough of you to invite you is getting the credit. If their name is not here, go ahead and give them a call so they can help you. Go ahead and put your phone number in. I'm sure you probably have it saved. Your birth date, whatever that is. And an address will probably populate for you. Hit continue. You're going to get to the next page and click select this item. Under enrollment fee, you're going to see a 1 already pre-selected. You want to leave that as is. And then you're just going to look for your membership. This is the Titanium plus the GLP-1 membership combined. That is our highest package. Here's the Titanium that I said we would choose. Of course, if you wanted Platinum, you could put a 1 here. If you wanted the Lifestyle Club, here is Gold, here is Silver. If you want to add the Medical Debt Eraser as an a la carte item. And we have all these different packages. Here's the pet care for your fur babies. But we're just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom like we're playing The Price is Right. And hit continue. And now you're at the last page where you put in your information. So membership only should be selected as $0, an enrollment fee of $29.99, and then whichever package you chose will show up here, the total price. This is very important. Select a payment method. I'm on a desktop right now, so it shows up pretty easily. If you're on a phone, sometimes these bottom options don't show up and you have to rotate the orientation of your phone to see these. If you don't select the proper card that you're using, the membership request will be declined. And you're going to go ahead and put your credit card information in. That's your credit card number, the security code, name, expiration, month, and year. This will be pre-selected, and you want to tick all of these boxes and hit complete enrollment. And that is it. It is that simple. Thank you, and congratulations.